Good evening to all. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Strength of the class is abysmally bad. Any specific reason?
Don't know, sir. There are 2 batches combined, right? This time.
3 years and NAPJC 1, 2.
So I think people might have forgotten it.
One is writing chapter is not nice, it seems. Chapter, why will it be nice to you? Chapter will be nice to you. Yeah. We just had college exams. Are your college exams over?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. 3 are left. 3 are left. 3 are left.
How is it that for some it's over, for some 3 are left?
So I thought you meant that by time is it over because it just got finished, right?
Today's exam is over.
Tomorrow you have another exam?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, day after, and Monday.
And so every month we have exams.
I don't know how to handle your pressure. Maybe if I were in your position, I cannot handle so much pressure. I will give up. It is easy for me to preach, right? यहाँ खड़े होकर एसी रूम में खुशी खुशी प्रीच कर लूंगा. मेहनत करो, करो भाई मेहनत करो. पता नहीं.
No, sir. College exams are easy.
During my schooling, there was one thought for the day which I wrote on the board for which the principal flayed me. Did you people have thought for the day concept in your schools?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I forgot that the next day it is all. I don't know if all schools followed this rule, but our time it was alternate classes. Schedule would change. Everybody would get a chance for thought for the day and used to be read in the assembly.
Same, sir.
So I forgot that I had to read the thought. I came and then my batchmate told me, "Aaj tera mauka hai yaar, thought for the day likha hai ki nahi?" Then I remembered thought for the day, ran to the library, opened the book, The Wisdom. There was a weekly magazine called Wisdom. Har page ke niche ek thought diya hota. I just turned. Did you ever hear of Mark Twain?
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mark Twain is a very great thinker. His quotations have a lot of deep meaning. First page I turned, I saw this quotation, मैंने लिख दिया, जाकर notice board पर लिख दिया. The quotation was like this: as a rule, man is a fool. As a rule,
Man is a fool.
when it is hot, he wants cool. When it is cool, he wants hot. Always wanting what is not. As a rule,
Man is a fool.
when it is hot, he wants cool. When it is cool, he wants hot. Always wanting what is not. Primsi read the first line. Attendance was being taken. He walked into our classroom and he asked, whose thought is to be read today? Then slowly I got up. We used to be dead afraid of our Primsi. He said, don't read the thought for today, and he walked away. After the first lecture, he called me and he asked me, can you explain the meaning of this thought? I was in trouble. If I If I say yes, I know the meaning, he'll ask me to explain. If I say I don't know the meaning, then he'll say, why did you write that thought? Now, explaining that statement is not easy. One whole day he gave me time and he told me, write all your possible explanations and bring it the next day. The next day I bought all the explanations. Finally, one explanation he liked. He said, read this in the assembly tomorrow. The explanation for this thought was, we always value what we don't have. Or in simpler language, grass on the other side is greener. So he said, now read this in tomorrow's assembly. That thought makes a lot of sense quite a few times. Somebody is writing, will you discuss only exercise 1? Oh, bhai sahab, exercise 1 bhi khatam nahi hoga yaar. I have a bad throat since 2 days I'm continuously talking. Your seniors ka JEE results have come, counseling for them, which branch to be selected, they're calling continuously. So 2 din se gala pakad liya, there's no rest for my throat. We had it is honorable to cheat than to fail. We heard that it is honorable to cheat than to fail. ये किसका quotation है? Mark Twain का? कोई लिख रहा है? Hey, somebody is typing, have you discussed HCV short answer type questions? किसी batch में discuss किया है मगर वो retrieve करना मुश्किल है मुझे. कौन सा batch मुझे याद नहीं, इसलिए आपके batch में भी discuss कर लूँ. Right, don't worry. पहले अगर बच्चे आएंगे तो डिस्कशन होगा ना यार. एक्सरसाइज 1 का बोलो.
83.
Somebody typed 35, 43, 41,
21. 21.
21.
So 9.
The third.
The 30, 47.
41,
The
27.
47,
24.
27.
57.
50.
8.
So 48 and 52.
19.
57.
15.
wait, Amba. What did you say?
15.
19.
25.
Amba, let me complete this. Today my energy level is not that high. I don't know even if I can complete it or not.
3.
रुको बोला ना यार मैंने. पहले ये खत्म करने दो. Question number 3. Question number 3 में have a look at it. Insulating pipe cross sectional area, electrolyte 2 types. अब सुनो. Question number 3 में an electron is moving in this direction. Right? Drift speed V. V by 4 for positive. This is V. For positive, it is V by 4. This is what you are giving me. Both will add up. If I have negative electron going in this direction is as good as positive charge going in opposite direction. Add up both of them. Right? Current will be N E A B plus N. Charge of positive is 2E A V by 4. Add both of them, that will be the current. Because they will turn out to be in the same direction. Electron moving in opposite direction is as good as equal positive charge moving in this direction. A. Obviously, current passes through a resistor. K1 and K2 average kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of an electron is greater than the kinetic energy of the positive ion. Positive ions in a solid don't move actually in a conductor. They don't move. They will have only vibrational energies. Only vibrational energies. So energy of an electron will anytime be greater. 9. Non-conducting ring. अब ध्यान से सुनिए. This is Q. This is rotating with an angular velocity omega. Current will be Q by T. Charge flowing per unit time. Q by 2 pi by omega. Q omega by 2 pi will be the current. Tell me when I can rub the board.
Sir, in it, so how do we exactly compare? Like kinetic energy of electron will be only half mv square, where v would be drift velocity, and the
Actually, that is purely theoretical question. Answer yaad rakhe. Ions, they don't even move. Their kinetic energies are given in Halliday recipe, both in conduction, kinetic energy, average kinetic energy of an electron, and these are given in Halliday recipe.
okay, sir.
It's a non-conducting ring, so how will there be current? I'm not.
If it is a conducting ring, free electrons would interfere with this charge Q. Right?
Yeah.
Now, conducting, non-conducting, reason given is free electron should not interfere with your problem. Ring के अंदर कोई current है नहीं. Rate of flow of charge is current. अब conducting, non-conducting छोड़ दो. There are positive ions arranged in this direction and they start moving. It's current.
Yeah.
Positive ions on a ring rotating with an angular velocity. Why did he give non-conducting? Because he doesn't want the free electrons to interfere. Agar free electrons interfere kiya, तो I will not be able to calculate the current. How many free electrons per unit volume again need to be specified.
Okay.
Can I rub the board?
Yes.
15, 14, 15, 14. In an electric circuit containing a battery, the charge inside the battery, now listen, charge inside a battery, positive charge flows in this direction. Inside a battery, positive charge will move from negative to positive. Right? Positive charge inside goes from negative to positive. But suppose if the battery is being charged, positive charge will go from positive to negative. Charging of a battery. Charging of battery. Positive charge will enter into the positive terminal. That will go from positive terminal to negative. Is that clear?
Yes.
So didn't get that. Can you just explain?
Normal circuit, positive charge goes this way. So positive charge entering into the negative terminal go from negative to
Positive.
some of your seniors are calling. यार ये phone बंद नहीं हो रहा है. एक second रुको. Okay. Now, when the battery is getting charged, positive charge will enter the positive terminal of the battery. So it will come out from the negative terminal. So inside the battery, it will go from positive to negative. Say something, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Two non-ideal batteries are connected in series. These are the two possible ways. Generally, non-ideal connected in officially, this is the series connection.
Sir, I am getting C. They have given B.
Question number
15, 15.
15. You are getting C. 2 is correct, but 1 is wrong. Why? The equivalent EMF is larger than either of the two EMFs.
Sir, it should be in
Sir, I'm
between.
getting
right?
D.
Hey, 1 second. What you are getting doesn't matter. Read the statement. Tell me which statement you have trouble with.
Sir, sir, it should be in between, right? Equivalent EMF.
It should be.
In between the two EMFs, right? Section
Why?
formula.
Batteries are in series. Will
Series,
it add up?
bhai sahab.
Series, it will be greater than the either resistor.
E1 plus E2.
So,
X
but
is
in
always greater than
series,
X
can't we
square.
take opposite polarities are attached?
Opposite
I mean,
polarity is wrongly connected in series or with reverse polarity. Series mein to I'll define only this.
Sir, but in parallel it
okay.
will be wrong, I think. It is in between in parallel.
यहाँ पे सीरीज है ना भाई.
भाई साहब आप चाहते क्या यार क्वेश्चन पढ़ लो ना
Okay,
यार, क्या
समझा.
बोलना चाहते हो?
समझा,
सीरीज
समझा.
बोलना है, आप पैरेलल अप्लाई कर रहे हो, आप पैरेलल का आंसर जबरदस्ती इसमें फिट कर लोगे, वो भाई साहब
Sir, समझा, समझा.
and the series will be this way only. This is wrongly connected in series. If you connect two cells this way, they are wrongly connected in series or with reverse polarity. Should be specified. If nothing is told, series is this. So genuinely, I have a feeling the equivalent EMF is larger than either of the two EMFs. What is the answer given for this?
So
B.
it goes
Option
back.
B.
B.
1 is correct, 2 is wrong.
Tell me. I'll go with that.
So D, this first one, the first item. If nothing is specified, then we take the first diagram, right?
In the 14th or 15th.
15th.
Yeah, series बोलेंगे तो generally series makes sense. Lord colloquial language series is only this. This is not in series technically. Series you add up the EMF of the battery.
Sir, $14. Can you please explain again?
Doubt क्या है इसमें?
Sir, charge doesn't move only, na, so they have given answer that it does move. It may go.
Charge doesn't move. तो current कैसा flow होगा भाई?
The positive charge to move नहीं ना, electrons flow. Or positive charges stay over there only.
Negative charge moving in this direction can be considered to be positive moving in.
Opposite. So understood, sir.
वो
So
तो
then
chapters किया यार. Capacitors में for months I taught direction in which positive charge.
truly it is not moving, na. It is
Only
equivalent to that.
it is moving. Hypothetically कहाँ से जाता है? क्या बोल रहे हो यार? Capacitor. अब यहाँ पॉजिटिव चार्ज हवा से आया, इमेजिनरी पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, क्या है? Truly, hypothetically, every possible adjective add. Where from did this plate get positive charge? Where from did this get negative charge? When I closed the switch. 3 महीने से सीख रहे यार हम लोग. अब लोग उल्टा सीधा बोलते हो. Truly, positive charge will not move. And didn't we learn when positive charge enters inside the positive terminal of the battery, work is done on the battery.
Yes, sir.
पूरा एक लेक्चर सीखा है हम लोगों ने. You are asking me how is this possible now? End of the day सुने नहीं देंगे आप लोग. डिस्टर्ब कर देते हो मुझे. वर्क डन ऑन द बैटरी. बैटरी कभी चार्ज भी होता है. सेलफोन चार्जिंग होते हुए देखा है आपने?
Yes, I understood, sir.
डरा देते हो यार.
Sir, sorry, sir, but I had a small doubt in question 10th, option C.
Question 10th, option C.
So, option answer is given as D, but C can also be correct, right?
Wait, 10th question पढ़ने दो मुझे. The resistance of a metallic conductor increases with temperature due to increase in number of collisions among the carriers. Fine. Now answer is given as C.
D, sir.
Increase in the rate of collisions between the carriers and the vibrating atoms of the conductor. It could be C also, यार. देख लो आंसर C दिया कि D दिया है?
So it's D, but like how will we consider collisions of electrons? Like
भाई साहब कोई और फोन कर रहा है, रुको यार एक सेकंड. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, increase in the number of collisions between the carriers. How can you justify that? Which collisions are increasing? Hey, no, listen. Maybe they're right. Resistance of a metallic conductor increases with temperature. 10th question. Dekho. What happens? Electrons are moving in this direction. These are the carriers. When temperature is raised, the streamlined flow of electrons is disturbed. When you disturb the streamlined flow, the collisions between them decreases. Why? What is rate of flow of current? Why do you say current is flowing? One electron collides with the next, that collides with the next and transfers energy. That transfer of energy is disturbed. If that transfer of energy is disturbed, current will decrease. As temperature increases, resistance increases. Since current decreases. Why current decrease? Because the streamlined flow is disturbed. Since streamlined flow is disturbed. When streamlined flow is disturbed, what happened? Collisions between the carriers decrease. Collisions between carriers decrease. Hence, C is not the answer. Answer given is correct.
Okay, sir, got it.
Can I rub the board?
Yes.
yes, sir.
"24. I think I missed 21. I'll come to both. One second, just. "21. 21, then we'll go to 24. EMF of a cell is E and the internal resistance is R. If terminals are connected to a resistance R, potential difference across the terminals is 1.6. For R equal to 4, 1.8 for 9. Then, hey, 21st में क्या doubt है यार? This is E, this is R, and this is capital R. EMF of a cell is E and the internal resistance is small r. Its terminals are connected to a resistance R. Potential difference between the terminals is C. Potential difference between the terminals is AB. So I into R is the potential difference. E divided by R plus R into R. Potential difference across the terminals is 1.6 volts. For capital R is equal to how much? 4 ohms. 4 ohms. Right? And 1.8 for 9 ohms. So technically I write this as 4E divided by 4 plus R. 1. How much? 8 for 9 ohms. 1.8 is 9E by 9 plus R. This is my first equation, second equation. 2 equations and 2 variables.
So can you solve the 25th one after this?
Okay. 24th है लाइन में पहले इससे.
Done. Sir.
Twenty-fourth में they gave one E1 and this is R1. E2 and R. This is R. This is R. Where am I? Yeah. Which question was I reading? 24, sorry. Under what current conditions current passing through the resistance R can be increased by short circuiting the battery of EMF E2? Right? By short circuiting, you should increase the current. यही तो बोल रहे हैं. By short circuiting, you should increase the current. Right? Firstly, what is the current? E1 plus E2 divided by R plus R1 plus R. Right? Should be lesser than E1 by R plus R1. By short circuiting E2, you should increase the current. You increase. Wait, 1 second. Cross multiply, you'll get the answer. 24. There's no concept in it. It's a cheap trick. By short circuiting this, you should increase the current. That means this should be greater than this. Cross multiply. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can I rub the board?
Yes.
Sir. 25. 25, 26 are a good one. Listen to it carefully. Battery consists of a variable number n of identical cells. Right? Having internal resistance connected in series. Terminals of the battery are short circuited and the current I measured in one of the graph. See, you have n number of cells this way. N number of cells here and you short circuited this. So what will be the current in this? NE divided by NR. So don't you think E by R will be a constant? Which one of the graph below shows the relation between I and N? N hai hi nahi. What is the answer given for 25th? D should be the answer according to me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, it is D.
Yes.
sir.
Now, I solve even 26th for you people because I remember last year batch also I solved in the previous problem. If the cells have been connected in parallel instead of in series, cells are connected in parallel. N number of such cells are connected this way. Across a resistance or short instead of series. Which of the following will be in the graphs? No. Have a look at it. You have n number of cells. EMF across each of them will be the same, but you short circuited the last branch or you didn't short circuit the last branch.
So, sir, nothing like that is good.
You didn't short circuit the last branch. That means you connected them this way. So the current will be E divided by 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R up to N by R. So R by N. This will be N E by R. I is directly proportional to N. What is the answer given for 26?
A.
Perfect. 27 is a very good question. Number of cells are greater than 4. Jan says, I will not write this answer on the board. By the way, is this over?
So what if it was short circuited?
Short circuited, then whole of the current passes through it, right?
Yes.
Then EMF will become zero. No, you are close. Oh no, they are all in parallel, identical. Will be by R. Right. Short circuit is only nothing wrong. The current in that branch will be the same. E by R by N.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Bolo.
Sir, in this case, how is KCL not violated?
KCL.
KCL, Kirchhoff's current law.
Apply karo.
Sir, the direction of current is same in all of the branches.
Right.
So,
So the EMF across each of them is the same.
but then if we take the central node on the left arm, on that node, KCL is violated, right?
बिल्कुल नहीं. बिल्कुल नहीं. If you have a, suppose I put up a resistance here, what will be the EMF across this?
Also, but we aren't putting a resistance, right? We are short circuiting.
Doesn't matter. Put it. It's like this. What we have done in this particular case is put up a battery. Put up a battery. You have n number of batteries in parallel this way. Right? You can consider this wire. What is the current flowing through this particular wire?
So, NE by R.
NE by R. And what will R be? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to
RN.
now 27 is an interesting one. Listen carefully. N identical cells are joined in series with its two cells A and B in the loop with reverse polarity. N is greater than 4. N is greater than 4. The two cells are connected in reverse polarity. So what will happen? Current will be going into the positive terminal of those two cells. Yes or no?
One of those two cells, right?
Come again.
One of those two cells, the current will go through the positive terminal, right?
For both the cells. For both the cells. Two cells
Both are
only
reversed, right?
connected. Reverse polarity. Two of the cells are connected with the reverse polarity. So what will happen? Those two cells are being charged. Those two cells are being charged. Current is entering the positive terminal of the battery. Potential difference across cells A or B will be E plus IR. Dekh lo. Listen to the hint carefully. 27. If you have one cell this way, one cell this way, one cell this way, so on and so forth, you have got n cells. In the last, you have connected two cells in opposite polarity. In the last, you have connected two cells in opposite polarity. What will happen? These cells will send in current into the positive terminal of this battery and positive terminal of this battery. These cells will send in current into the positive terminal of the battery. So these cells are being charged. If they are being charged, if a cell is being charged, what will be the potential difference across AB? Current is entering the positive terminal of the battery. Can I write VAB as E plus IR?
Yes.
Say something.
Yes, sir.
You can write EAB as E plus IR.
IR.
Great.
Yes,
Now
sir.
solve the problem, you will get the answer. People who attempted 27th and have a doubt. should have gone wrong at only one place. What is it? They must have taken E minus IR. Here current is entering the positive terminal of that battery. So it will be E plus IR. Do you recollect this? We dealt with this in the combination of cells initially.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, general doubt.
Hmm.
For cells in parallel, do we have any formula to find the current through any specific branch?
Superposition principle use kar lo. Or nodal analysis.
If there are many cells, then
Many cells. We have done this exercise 4 ka ek problem. Question number 5. You are
oh,
asked
yes, sir.
power-
Yes, sir. We have done this in class. Sir.
One second, just wait a minute. Listen, I'll stop here. There are a few very uncomfortable things today for me. We have covered up to 27th question, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In a day or two evening, again, I'll put up a doubt lecture and we will cover the remaining part of this exercise. Okay. We have to stop here.
Sir, what you will be doing in 3 years? Will you be taking doubts?
Pardon?
Sir, in 3 years, will you be taking doubts?
3 years means? You mean in the regular class?
Yes, sir.
When is a regular class next? Three years regular class कब है next lecture? आप टाइम टेबल देख रहे हो या मैं देख?
Saturday.
Saturday.
सैटरडे से पहले ही मैं आपको डाउट लेक्चर लगा के एक्सरसाइज 1 खत्म कर दूं. राइट. 3 years में मैग्नेटिज्म का आई थिंक फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओवर. एम आई राइट?
Yes, sir.
So I think then in your 3 years class, exercise 2 and 3 खत्म कर दूं. सैटरडे का जो लेक्चर.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
I'll keep you people informed. I just wish by evening it becomes very tiring. Today my throat is paining a lot.
Sir, you won't be continuing with magnetism, right?
No, Saturday I'll finish your current electricity doubts. At least exercise 2 and 3 खत्म कर दूं.
So if you are keeping a doubt lecture in the evening, then can you send a link on LAPJS 1 also?
Yeah, I will send on both the batches. I will send. I'll keep you people informed. By tomorrow evening itself, I'll keep you informed.
So
When I-
Saturday you will do it in the doubt lecture or regular in the 3-year regular lecture?
Saturday के अंदर, before Saturday, I'll keep a doubt lecture to clear exercise 1.
Okay, sir.
Firstly, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Saturday regular lecture of 3 years में exercise 2 and 3 खत्म करूँ.
Okay, sir. So please, sir, send that recording
Yeah, for
in
sure.
our batch. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.